In this video we're going to show you how to fit a satellite F-plug. Our part code is Procon 00, Procon 01, 02 and Procon 03. These are screw-on satellite F-plugs. You sometimes see them on Virgin equipment as well, but very commonly used for the Sky stuff. So we're going to show you how to fit one of those today. This is our Pro Strip 01, really handy tool, makes the job very, very simple. Does all the cutting and the stripping for you. Worthwhile checking out our video on the Pro Strip 01 because it also shows you how to calibrate to the cable that you're using. Once it's calibrated, it's a fine tool for this kind of job. So put the cable in like so, give it a twist, carefully pull off the end bit like so, and the tool has also put a second cut on where the shielding is. Carefully pull that away, being careful not to remove the shielding, so be very careful with this bit like so. Makes a bit of a mess with all the wire. There we go. Now be very careful and check out that none of these fine wires are touching the inner core. Extremely important. If any of the fine wires are touching the inner core, it will short out the cable. What that means is that you will see quite bad attenuation on the signal, and it would also stop any voltage going up the cable. So if, for example, you're using these with a satellite system, with a Skybox, and it's sending voltage up this cable, it wouldn't better do so because you've shorted the cable out. A very prime reason for satellite boxes stopping working is the fact that the cable's shorting. So spend a bit of time just making sure that there's none of the fine wires touching this inner core. And all you're going to do is pop that over and screw it on. Keep going, keep checking down the plug until the white PVC is actually flush with the bottom of the plug, like that is. Make sure that none of the braiding's poking out. It's quite sharp. It will stick in you. It's quite sharp stuff. So that's a nice clean plug. What you can also do here is that you don't need to have a long piece of the inner core sticking out of the plug. 2mm is absolutely fine. So you can chop that off with a pair of scissors or a pair of pliers. And that's how you fit an F-plug.